Well, after reports of violence at Aam Aadmi Party MLA Rakhi Birla's birthday party last night, the Aam Aadmi Party has called a meeting on the episode. There was chaos at the venue after protesters gathered and raised slogans against Aam Aadmi Party MLA Ritu Raj for his alleged role in a kidnap murder case. Reports also say that Rakhi Birla's brother apparently got into a scuffle with Ritu Raj. There was also massive uproar on Twitter after reports of Rakhi having received a Scorpio as a birthday gift. Ankit Tyagi is now joining us with the very latest. Ankit, who all are attending this meeting and what are they going to decide on?
Well, the meeting, in fact, took place in the morning. It was attended by Sanjay Singh, Ashutosh and Dilip Pandey. But they, in fact, looked into all these allegations. And what happened yesterday was that the birthday bash of Rakhi Birla was on, where Ritu Raj, the MLA of Kirari, was also invited. There were a few people from his constituency, those who came there and were protesting against one kidnapping and murder case. That Ritu Raj, along with Rakhi Birla's brother, got into a scuffle with these people, and the visuals, in fact, were captured by various media cameras, those who were present at the spot. Okay. There was also this use of one Scorpio car that was gifted to Rakhi Birla on her birthday. But the party clarified today that this was in name of somebody else and the car has not been gifted to Rakhi Birla.
All right.
So, it seems that, it's a very standard response as far as the political parties are concerned, but this sort of, a birthday bash and the car, the story of the car being gifted to her, does not go well with the Aam Aadmi Party's image and the kind of politics that they have been promising. The party is saying that both their MLAs are not wrong and are not involved in anything that is that can be in fact called unlawful, and that's why the party has decided not to take any action.
All right, Ankit, stay on with us. Rakhi Birla has reacted to this whole episode. Let's listen in.
मिनट के बाद वो लोग वहाँ पहुंचे और उन्होंने अननेसेसरी हंगामा करना शुरू कर दिया। वो ऋतु राज के ऊपर हमला करने के लिए और मेरे ऊपर हमला करने के लिए जबरदस्ती हॉल में घुस रहे थे, उन्हें रोका गया, उनकी तरफ से मारपीट का सारा।
मैं इसको थोड़ा और स्पष्ट कर देता हूँ, इस पूरे मसले को और स्पष्ट कर देता हूँ। दरअसल किराड़ी विधानसभा के अंदर जुए खाने का और सट्टे का बहुत बड़ा एक रैकेट चलता है और वहाँ के स्थानीय विधायक स्थानीय लोगों के साथ मिलकर जो इससे परेशान है, एक बहुत लंबी मुहिम छेड़ रखी है। तो वहां के कुछ लोग जो इसके बेनिफिशरीज हैं, जो असामाजिक तत्व हैं, जो उपद्रवी लोग हैं, वो ऋतुराज के पीछे पड़े हुए थे। ऋतुराज भी इस जन्मदिन के बर्थडे के सेलिब्रेशन में गए थे, उनके पीछे पीछे ये लोग वहां पहुंचे और वहां पे उपद्रव मचाने की कोशिश की गई। उसके पहले तक वहां का वातावरण बहुत सौहार्दपूर्ण था, बहुत अच्छा था और इन लोगों की वजह थोड़ा हंगामा हुआ। ये सारे गलत लोग हैं, ये सारे लोग उस जुए खाने के अड्डों के जो सट्टेबाजी के जो अड्डे चल रहे हैं उनके बेनिफिशरीज हैं।
सर, कोई ऑफिशियल कंप्लेंट की आप लोगों ने?
बकायदा उसके खिलाफ मुहिम चल रही है। ये वही लोग हैं, वहाँ के लोग स्थानीय लोग नहीं थे। ये किराड़ी विधानसभा और वहाँ के आसपास के लोग थे जो वहाँ पे जुए खाने चलाते हैं, जहाँ पे सट्टेबाजी के अड्डे चलाते हैं। ये वे लोग हैं जिनके खिलाफ वहाँ के लोगों ने और वहाँ के विधायक ने एक सामाजिक मुहिम छेड़ रखी है। थैंक यू, हो गया।
Ankit is there with us still on that bit of news coming in about the infighting that is going on within the Aam Aadmi Party after a birthday bash of Rakhi Birla. In fact, Ankit, Rakhi Birla's side is making some serious allegations against the other side. Couldn't have come at a worse time for the Aam Aadmi Party that's already struggling with what they called rebels in the form of Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav.
Absolutely. In fact, now Rakhi Birla and both Ritu Raj saying that it is handiwork of those who are against the party, but it's all about the image of the party. The biggest worry for the party right now is that all the work that the Delhi government is doing is just being sidelined by the internal rift and these sort of instances in the party. So this is something that the leadership will in fact have to come out and address. This, of course, hurts the perception of the party, which has promised clean politics as an alternative.
And Ankit, serious allegations are being made against Ritu Raj. What is the AAP saying about that?
Well, the Aam Aadmi Party has a very standard reply to that, Maha. They have said that these are all these allegations have been made by people, those who are involved in some sort of a gambling nexus on which Ritu Raj has been working against. They have said that FIRs have been registered and the police is doing the investigation. If they find anything against the MLA, the party will promptly take action. But as of now, they are standing behind Rituraj.
Ankit Tyagi, many thanks for joining us with those.